Alright guys, we are in the Petit Palace Hotel and we've got some Spanish generics. I walked up the stairs to start a floor above the lobby because the desk is right there. These are Casado ascensores. And they have the weird Spanish generic fixtures. Let's go to, we'll go down first. S.
Oh shit, look, it's high tech, guys. Oh shit, the Spanish generics are evolving. Oh look, it really is high tech. They got they got a little spinning Microsoft Word or spinning MS Paint animation. Wow, guys. This is really high technical.
I mean, this is like the elevator of the future. Oh my goodness. Also, I like that. That palette fits perfectly in there.
High tech. Oh look, it actually shows like the label of the floor here. Hey, for a Spanish generic, this actually is kind of high tech. I'm not even gonna lie. I'll give that to him. Still funny though.
Yeah, look at that. It's so high tech that it's got the wrong date. Look at that. We got some nice high-tech clunking sounds.
You can hear it creaking. Very high tech indeed. Oh yeah, high tech.
Very high tech. Oh god, there's just endless jokes to be made about that, isn't there? Anyway, that's it.